are all doing well, and in this video we are going to learn our grammar lesson 1 singular and plural. So this is your grammar book. This is first lesson in this book. So open page number 1 and get ready with your pencil and eraser. So this is lesson singular and plural. So in the previous videos in the Anya and Dragon lesson, we learned many singular and plural sounds, right? And in this video, I am going to introduce more and more important key points and the detailed information about singular and plurals. So let's get into our class. See children, look at the board. Singular and plural. Single means what? One. Single means what? One. Single book. Single pen. One. Single means what? One. Plural means many. Infinity. Okay? Single means one. Plural means more than one. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4 or many. Okay? Single means one. Plural means many. Okay? So we need to add sometimes s, sometimes es to make one thing into many things. Okay? For example, this is one book. B-O-O-K, book. To make this one book into many, what we need to add? Yes. B-O-O-K-S, books. Class, glass. We need to add S or yes? Yes. Now we will learn this. Sometimes we will add S, sometimes we will add ES. So, for example, the words which are ending with CH, SH, S, SS or X. Any words which are ending with these letters, we should add their ES, not S. For example, see. Class. You will add yes plus no. What you will add there? ES. Classes. See. Fox. You will add S? No. You will add ES. Foxes. Like these, the words which are ending with CH, SH, S, SS, X, we will be adding the letters ES to make the one into many. Sometimes we will be adding for normal nouns only yes to make them into plural. Okay children? So in this video we need to do these two pages. Page number 2, page number 3. Later you can do this quiz. If you do these two pages properly according to my instructions, you can do this quiz on your own without help of anybody. Okay children? And in this video only I will be explaining and showing you this book in detail, and how to do all the bits properly I will tell you. Okay? See.
Yeah, children, open your grammar book. This is your first page, singular and plural. As I explained everything detailed in the video, now we will do our exercises. So turn the page and write down the date there. Okay, after that, read the first bit. Sort the words into two boxes, singular and plural. But we don't have much space to do and divide everything into two boxes. So just write there. If it is singular, S. If it is plural, P. Animal, singular. Horses, plural. Foxes, plural. Book, singular. Spoon, singular. Like this, as I gave you everything, all answers also here. So follow me and do the remaining words. Okay? See, go to next bit. Add yes or es to the words to show that they are many. So we need to write yes or es to make one to many. Okay? Apple, one. How we can make that to many? Just adding yes. Girl, girls. Watch, watches. We should add their es to make them into many. And box, boxes. Like this we need to do, children. Do the remaining words. Okay, coming to third bit, look at the pictures, write your naming word to complete the sentences. First bit, A. I see 2 cups. You can write there cups or spoons, anything you can write. Okay, I am writing here cups. Then I see many brushes. BRUSHES. Okay. Then I see a flock of birds. Right there, birds. Then coming to fourth bit, rewrite the naming words. Write S if the naming word is singular, write P if it is plural. Okay, see here, coming to first bit, A bit, I would like a mango and some grapes. Mango is singular, grapes is plural. Like this you need to write. Okay, and coming to fifth bit, C, choose the correct form of the naming word and complete the sentence. Dad has packed two sandwich or 2 sandwiches. 2 sandwiches. Then the girl wore 2 beautiful dresses. Like this you need to do all these bits from this page. Okay, go to next page and sixth bit. Correct the naming words and rewrite the sentence. For rewriting the sentence we don't have space here, so just correct there as I shown you in this video. This is a pair of socks, yes, and not a pair of shoes. You should add there yes. Dad forgot to buy tomatoes and onions. Add es and s there. Okay, like this you do. And coming to seventh bit, after seeing this picture, write 2 sentences here. Okay, I wrote already. There are 2 children. Like this you can write on your own. After that, eighth bit, match the word to its group. Like this, herd of elephants, bunch of bananas, group of students. With this you need to make sentences also. Okay, as I gave you in the video, you can follow this or you can write anything on your own. So with this we finished our 2 pages of these exercises. And coming to next page, it is a quiz page. The thing is that what are the things you learnt, everything in this video you need to do in this quiz page. It is for your understanding test. Okay children, this you need to do on yourself only. Just go through the question thoroughly and do the answer. It is very easy. Do it yourself and we'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye bye.